Okay, here we go. I'm about to unbox the Marauder PCP pistol by Benjamin Crossman. Here we go. Just came. UPS just delivered it. Nicely packaged. Looks pretty clean. So far, so good. Packing slip out here. Okay, let's look inside. Looky there. Nice tight fit. Nice pretty box. Let's tip this forward. It's going to drop her on the ground. Kind of work it out here. Let's just flip it upside down. Okay. Put that box aside, flip her back over. Very cool. Box looks to be in great shape. Okay, here's the magic moment. The moment we've all been waiting for. Put this aside for a bit wet. Okay. Here we go. Cutting the seal. Now that's interesting. It's factory sealed twice, I noticed here. Okay. Open the lid. Flip her back down. Okay, can you see everybody? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Check it out. Loving the looks of this. Okay, I guess we can put our little knife away. Okay, what do we have here? I don't know what that is. It's all sealed up in there. Let's open this up. Okay, got our knife back again. Let's see what's in this thing. There we go. Oh boy. Look at it here. Let's see. Kind of hold this up here. It says, November 2010, congratulations, you own one of the first 100 Benjamin Marauder PCP pistols ever made. Our dedicated Crossman design and manufacturing team carefully crafted this exciting new air pistol right here in Bloomfield, New York, with you in mind. And blah, 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 blah. So that's pretty neat. It appears to be hand-signed by Ken Darcy, President and CEO of Crossman. So that's kind of neat right here. He signed it. Wait a minute. Sorry, folks, having trouble with focusing the camera. But there we go. Take it outside and enjoy it, he says. Okay. We'll put that aside here for a minute. Pretty neat. Wow. Okay, put the scissors aside. What do we got here? Let's check it out. It says, do not return this to the store. Okay, that's just basically a warranty card telling me what to do with it, I guess, if I were to have problems. Let's see. What do we got here? It says high performance PCP air rifle, Marauder pellet clip instructions. So there's the pellet clip instructions. And we got our Marauder clip, it looks like. Check it out. Pretty cool. Okay, set that aside for a second. Okay, there's the registration card. And again, here's our owner's manual. Fine print. Just kind of flip through it. Okay. Don't see any parts diagram or parts list. Maybe that'll be available online. It's got a little, what do you think, fellas? She looks like a dandy. Looks like a dandy. Here we go. Let's check this out. It is on safety, by the way, in case anybody's wondering. Okay. Let's balance. Here's the stock. Let's check this out. Okay, gonna slide it out of here. That was that. Oh, little box of pellets. That's pretty neat. Well, let's try the box of pellets first. It says Crosman Premier's Impact. Oh, it's a neat little folding pouch here that already has some Premiers in it, no doubt. Okay, this is just basically your standard fare stock from Crosman. It doesn't have any special markings for Benjamin, just says Crosman air guns. So it's the standard shoulder stock. Yeah, as a matter of fact, it shows, let's see, model 1399. So that's that. Pretty good looking rig. Okay, just to get an idea, I'm gonna fire it right now without a pellet in it. I'll tell you what, let's just go ahead. Let's fire off a round right now. Okay, so I flip that up, pull the bolt back. Okay, I'm at full cock right there. Okay, let's see. Looks to be maybe roughly 1,000 psi, maybe less. Okay. Okay, now this is with absolutely no pellet in it. I'm gonna back it up here. Hope y'all can see that. Okay, let's see how loud this thing is. I'm gonna take it off safety now. Okay, let's get a good view. Let me get it down here. Huh, not too bad. The trigger felt good. I like that. Tell you what, let's do that one more time. Okay. Here we go. Right here. I'm just not coordinated enough to do this upside down, I guess. Okay. Here we go. So there you have it. Not too awfully loud. That's with no pellet. So there she is.